So I'll do my bit. Good morning, everybody. Namaskar. And Rosetta ji and all the principals, let me candidly say that this is the first time I'm feeling nervous talking in front of an audience, and most importantly, an online audience, because
True.
I can see two big powerhouse groups standing in front of me. One is the teacher fraternity, who is the builder of the nation, a fraternity to which I can only fold my hands and pay my respects. All our respected principals and teachers. I could see the happiness in the eyes and faces of the teachers and principals once their students go ahead and perform so well on this stage. I'm extremely sorry. Actually, I wanted to attend this session in all 3 days, but because of the joint board meetings yesterday and its preparation day before, I could not join. But whatever 1 hour I could see today, I could see the confidence and the poise with which these students are performing are just unimaginable. I just can't imagine at this age I would have spoken this fluent language and this fluent execution. And I am sure I could see the pride and happiness in the faces of everybody who made this happen. So it's a wonderful, wonderful experience. And I'm sure this would have multiplied 1,000 times if this would have been done in the physical form. As Rajesh ji mentioned, this would have been an absolutely awesome environment. So, and the second powerhouse is our future, which is these students. And fortunate are those students who are being groomed in the Dalmia education system and processes, which not only gives them a holistic bookish education, but along with that, it gives them the most important aspect which many schools today struggle with, which is core values. Core values, how to deal with life. Livelihood and life are two very different things, and it is high time that we make our next generation understand about this from the very beginning. Earning money, earning fame would only follow if we have our core values in place. This is very important for our mental and physical well-being, which is the most important aspects in our life. And the seeds of this needs to be sowed at a very young age, so that that could blossom into a good, beautiful flower and a big tree as we progress in our life. I think the educational values which we had when we started our school is what I can see in the Dalmia schools. You know, we were never taught to compete. My father used to distribute sweets when I used to get 50 marks in a subject. So I have seen that. I have never ever been scolded for not getting great marks. Today I see parents are unhappy fighting with teachers if they don't get 100 out of 100. Now I see students standing with a shrunk face and shoulders because they have scored 99, and I am at awe. The kind of talent which we have today, if they are allowed to blossom, if they are allowed to fulfill their wishes and dreams, my dear friends, students, you know, you could do what the world has never seen before. And another great opportunity which you people have right now is access to technology. Please use technology very responsibly. You all must be very happy that mobile phones or laptops are at your disposal now for getting your daily lives on. It is something which is unthinkable maybe 7 to 10 months back. People will snatch your mobiles or your laptops if you log into them. But please use that technology responsibly. Please choose your career path by looking at different educational videos, listening to various autographies and success stories, which will help you to choose your career going forward. Please use technology instead of downloading lots of games or looking at a lot of other stuff which are available on the net. Please look at contents which can help you to structure your career. Today you have this big benefit of technology by which you can actually choose what you love and you can actually choose what you like into your career. Today's education system gives you that power to choose your passion as your profession. It was not the case when we grew up. There were only a few handful of subjects and streams which were given to us, and we were told to choose among them. So we never chose what we wanted to do, but then we started loving what we started doing. So today you have this benefit of actually talking to your seniors, to your teachers, to your principals, and choose what you like to do, what you love to do as your future profession. So students, let me tell you, this is the best phase of your life you are going through right now. You may be feeling that this is a very, very routine or a disciplined phase of your life which you are going through. But please believe me, when you grow up, you will long for this affection, this discipline, and this everything that you're getting. And the friends which you are making now are going to be your friends for life. You will never in your life get these pure relationships which are based on nothing but love, affection, and purity. So please make good friends and stay connected, and try and always become model citizens and make the country proud. Thank you, and Jai Hind, wishing you all the very best.